Welcome back to the Mercuri CX channel. Today, let's look at how Wix businesses can set up cart abandonment reminders easily with Mercuri CX. Every e-commerce store faces this. Customers add items to their cart, but leave without buying. With WhatsApp automation, you can gently nudge them with a reminder and boost your conversions. Setting this up in Mercuri is super simple. First, create a cart reminder template. Once it's approved by WhatsApp, link it to an automated flow. Now, let's look at a live demo of how one can set up such automations with the help of Mercuri CX easily. First, head to the Templates section and select WhatsApp. Click on Create Template. Now, configure the basic template details like template name, language, and template category. Next, fill in the components. You can optionally add a header. Add variables like the customer name in the body. This makes the message feel more personalized. Then, add a call to action button. Choose Visit Website and enter a dynamic URL that leads the customer back to their cart. Once all the details are added, hit Create Template and wait for WhatsApp approval. Once approved, head to the Automation section. Click Create Automation, choose the Cart Abandoned automation type, and select WhatsApp as your communication channel. Then, link it to the template you just created and you're done. If you're ready to stop losing sales and start converting more abandoned carts, scan the QR and book your free demo with Mercuri CX today.